almost finished the top actually. I'm only going to hem the armhole and the neckline, so which I will show you to later. But now, since before attaching this skirt part of this dress, I'm going to fold this around a complete circle with half an inch allowance which we have given. So I'm going to fold it 1/4 inch and again another 1/4 inch and stitch them all around. Okay, and then I will come back. I'm going to stitch the hemline of the skirt now before attaching to the top bodies of the dress. I have now attached the complete full circle hem all around the half an inch fold which I had. So I've just folded them 1/4 and 1/4 again. So this is done. See, the hem should be pinned and then stitched. Only then you will get this neat finish. When you cut a circular fabric, it's very difficult to turn and stitch uniformly throughout the skirt. So it's better that you pin it up and then stitch to get this neat finish. Now next step is to attach this top. Okay, so before we attach, let's see if they are meeting the size. See, so we'll have to pin it up and see first. Let me see if this is of the same size now. Yeah, this is coming to the correct size. So I'm going to pin it up now and then I will stitch it. Okay, see the center point. Let me pin it up first so that we know where exactly the center of this is. Yeah, it's here. Okay, so I'm going to pin this here. Then I'll pin the side seam and this side seam here. Now pinned all around the waist and the skirt part. So now I'm going to take it to the machine to attach them. Okay, I'm just going to attach them all around. I'm just trimming the neck binding little bit to make it little smaller width. Okay, so that I will only have to fold little bit here, and then I'll fold it here and hem them here. I hope you're enjoying my teaching on children's clothes, and I hope it's clear enough for you all to understand. And as a special request from so many other friends, they want me to teach sari blouse. Now I will be teaching in Tamil the blouse cutting and stitching, and which will also have the English captions along with. ஸோ இது வந்து தமிழில் தான் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்க போகிறேன். ஏன்னா நிறைய பேர் தமிழில் வேணும்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க, அதனால. அண்ட் ப்ளஸ் மோரோவர் சாரி பிளவுஸ் இஸ் சம்திங் விச் எவ்ரிபடி வாண்ட் டு லேர்ன் இன் அ பர்ஃபெக்ட் வே. ஸோ ஐ ஹோப் யூ வில் ஆல் என்ஜாய் மை நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ ஆஃப் மை சாரி பிளவுஸ் இன் அ பர்ஃபெக்ட் வே, so that you can stitch without any problem when you're making. Especially there are blouses which slips down the shoulder and the cup size which is not fitting correctly. So all these issues will be resolved in my pattern making. Also, I will be giving lots of tips on these blouse making. Okay, thank you. So please do subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications as and when I upload the videos.